Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how you can log in to a Sling Employee Account. As you know, Sling is a free shift scheduling app and communication software. It is built around four main features: shift, messages, news, sheet, and task, making it one of the most useful and easy-to-use software. So, guys, to log into your account, just go to any of your web browsers. In the search bar, just type in Sling Employee Login and hit Enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click the first link that pops up on your screen. Now, it will take you to the official website of Sling, where you need to input your credentials in order to log into your account. As you can see, you need to input your correct email address and correct password. And also, don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA in order to identify you as a human being. After doing so, just click on Login. Or, if you have a Google Play account or an Apple ID, you can also log in through your Google account or Apple account. If you already have an account, just input your email address and password. After doing so, hit Login, and you'll be logged into your Sling account. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. And if you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell and also comment down for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.